In this video, we will demonstrate how to integrate 711proxy into AdsPower. We can choose the proxy type and plan according to our needs. After the purchase is completed, navigate to the dashboard page. Here, we take the residential proxy, GB, as an example. You can retrieve proxy information through either API or username and password authentication. What we are demonstrating to you this time is the username and password extraction method. First, select your target country and state, or global mix. Take the United States as an example. The system will automatically generate a username and password for you. Then, select the number of proxies you need. Click Generate to view the complete proxy information. Copy the information and proceed to the AdsPower fingerprint browser. Click New Browser, enter a suitable name for yourself. You can create groups here for future management. Choose HTTP or SOCKS5 for the proxy type here. Enter the host and port information copied from 711proxy. Click Check Proxy. After seeing the successful connection test, click Confirm. After opening it, you can see the IP we purchased. The above is the entire process of integrating 711proxy into AdsPower. If you have any other questions or ideas, feel free to send us a private message.